Hey YouTubers, how's it going? Make sure you hit that big red subscribe button so we can make it to 1,000 subscribers. And after this video, go check out my merch. Go check it out. Link is below. Yeah, I'm about to make a double stack grilled cheese sandwich. Yeah, I'm making. I don't know if this thing still works. It's heating up now, but I think it seems like it'd be working. I'm gonna put it in make them in this toaster oven right here. Yeah, it's been a while since I used that thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's warming up, YouTube. So anyways, get my cheese out. I'm gonna get the bread. This will make them a little more interesting. YouTube, hang on here a minute. We're gonna use 2 different pieces of cheese. So I'm gonna take a slice like that. And just take a piece of bread like that. Okay. Then like that. Then we take our last, final piece. That. Look at that, YouTube. Look at that. Then we gotta go over to our toaster oven. Okay, so we'll go over to our toaster oven and toast this up. Don't mind the mess in that background there. Put it in there, and then we want it to start toast. So we just gotta wait a little bit, and once that thing pops up, then we gotta flip it and then repeat it. Yeah. Anyways, I wasn't making a toaster there, because I seen a life hack on YouTube saying, where you take your toaster, you tip it on its side, and then you can put your make it that way. But then I saw it on YouTube that that chances are that could cause fires. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. Only because I don't want to be responsible if something does happen. Okay, so she popped. I'll show you. Before we flip it, I want to show you. See? Look at that. See, now we just gotta toast that part. So there we go. So as soon as when that pops again, then it should be ready. The double stack, the double stack grilled cheese sandwich. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, they're talking about more snow here. Yeah, here in Wisconsin here. So the way it looks like the snow might stick around here for a while. Which I'm not really too thrilled about because, like I said, I want to get my spring and summer challenges on. But the way that Mother Nature is cooperating, I don't know. Who knows when we're going to be able to get those in? Because I can't really do them when there's a bunch of snow on the ground. So as soon as Mother Nature can cooperate, we can get some of those challenges in. But it's probably going to be a while before we get those in. But Mother Nature just hasn't been really cooperating. Alright, now let's check up on our grilled cheese sandwich. Rotate the camera. Oh yeah. There you go, look at this, YouTube. Double stack grilled cheese sandwich. And I gotta get a thumbnail. And one more. Alright. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, YouTube. See how the cheese is all melted in? Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's give it a try. It's pretty good, YouTube. It's like the way, especially too, look at all the cheese. So all melts together. That was pretty good, YouTube. Alright. So there you go. The double stacked grilled cheese sandwich. Alright. So then, I'll catch you later. And that's going to end the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and hit that big red subscribe button so we can make it to 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to check out my merch. Go check it out. Link is below. And I'll see you guys later. See ya.